It's
So
unbelievable.
disappointed.
Yeah, wait until you see the donut hole, if you will, ECs. And I know I'm in it, you're in it. I mean, a lot of Bexar County missed out on today's rain. But this rainmaker's looking good, and the 7-day forecast is looking wet. I'm going to show you why. First, we're going to go out to the quarry on a beautiful night. It really feels pretty good outside, and the quarry smokestacks are lit yellow for spinal muscular atrophy awareness. Did you know this is a rare genetic disease? In fact, if diagnosed early, can be treated pretty quickly and stop the progression, but it affects about 1 in every 11,000 babies born in the United States. 79 degrees feels like 82, a little north breeze, and a dew point of 71. So the air mass is still pretty tropical. It's going to feel awfully humid. The air is very wet. Rain is just about raining out. I mean, you can just see light rain up across Kerr County. That's about it right now. But man, these were some heavy thunderstorms across Bandera earlier. Phenomenal rainfall totals. In fact, let's talk about it because we've got some rain still falling at Laredo that's dying down, but this is really going to be the hotbed of some big time rains early tomorrow. It already happened today. Look at these totals. We're talking about 10 plus in northern Maverick County, just outside of Eagle Pass, 4.5 near Brackettville. Then you go to the Real Edwards County line for nearly 7, 7.5 just west of Bandera. Wow. In San Antonio, here's what I was talking about. From Helotes to the 281 corridor to even downtown, inside the loop, Leon Valley, Alamo Heights, not a drop. 1.5 east, just north of St. Hedwig. Nearly 2 on the south side near Somerset. 1/4 of an inch over Medina Lake, and just a mile or 2 away, nearly 4 inches. They really need that rain. All right, so here's why we're getting more. This area of low pressure, you can see it. I mean, that signature counterclockwise swirl. Water vapor is the X-ray of the atmosphere, and that low shows up really well, and it's not done. I mean, we've got so much moisture to work with that showers are going to get an early start on Wednesday. Showed you this at the top of the show, but it does bear showing you again. Carrizo Springs through Eagle Pass at 5 a.m. is going to be pretty wet. Uvalde over to Del Rio, wet at 7 a.m. And you can see the rain continues. That's why along the Rio Grande, which can be very flood prone, we're going to have to watch it very closely. Scattered showers probably going to wait for the San Antonio area until daytime heating, 2 to 3 o'clock. Then bigger thunderstorms expected around rush hour, but out to the west. And you can even see over Uvalde at about this time tomorrow night. So again, very moist setup means a lot more rain. We're talking 3 to 5 more inches over the next 7 days to our south and west. In the San Antonio area, anywhere from about 1 inch to 1.25 inches. Maybe about 2 to 2.25 as you get to the hill country. Good recharge rains for the aquifer. Look at all the precipitable water. It just does not quit. This atmosphere is going to stay very wet. We're going to continue to replenish what rains out. And with high pressure out of the way, we are loose and ready to go on much more rain. All right, quick check of the tropics. We're still watching this system. Very good chance this becomes Danielle, but it will stay north of the Caribbean. All right, 7-day forecast time where rain chances do not drop below 40%. 90 the high tomorrow, 92 on Thursday. Most of this rain is going to be west. 50-50 on rain as we begin Friday. And then heading into Labor Day weekend, we still have a very good chance of additional rains. I would definitely have a plan B for your Labor Day weekend plans. That forecast could change, but right now it still does look like a decent chance of rain for the weekend.
Looking forward to it.